Let me show you how to get my Snapchat AI after launching ChatGPT and Google Bard. Now Snapchat launch your own Snapchat AI. You can easily access this AI on Snapchat. This is amazing and outclass method is very easy and simple. Just follow two steps. First step is update your Snapchat account, then click on chat icon. Here you can see search my AI. After searching you find this and just click on profile icon. Here you can see OK, then click on chat. You can easily access my Snapchat AI using free. This is outclass AI providing by the Snapchat. This is the simple process. First step is update your Snapchat, then you can access your my AI on Snapchat. Here you can see this is the interface of my AI and you can easily get your question and latest answer by using AI. And you can easily get here. Remind one thing, you when you update your Snapchat account and almost my AI already in your Snapchat chat history, and if you not find, then search on my AI and easily get your Snapchat AI.